Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is to active quieting your mind to connect with your soul for the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you've tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video I'll give you some foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. The benefits of meditation are generally highlighted by those who already practice it on a daily basis. People want to take up this practice for different reasons: to dispel their inner chatter, to get to know each other better, to find calm in the feeling of being rooted, to impose a restful contemplation, or to associate it with their spiritual beliefs. Whatever your reason for wanting to meditate, you need to find out how to get started and stay motivated. 1. Think about what you want to achieve through meditation. People take to meditation for a variety of reasons: to increase their creativity, to visualize a goal better, to calm their inner chatter, or to make a spiritual connection. If your only goal is to spend a few minutes a day being present in your body without worrying about everything you have to do, that's reason enough to meditate. Try not to overcomplicate your reasons for meditating. Meditation is in essence a question of relaxation, in which one should not be caught up by one's daily anxieties. 2. Find a place free from distractions. When you start, it is especially important that you clean your surroundings of all sources of distraction. Turn off the television and radio. Close the windows facing the street and close the doors so you no longer hear your roommates fidgeting. If you live with a roommate or with a family, you may have a hard time finding a quiet space where you can focus on meditation. Ask the people you live with if they are okay with staying calm for the duration of your meditation exercise. Promise them to let them know as soon as you are finished, so that they can resume their activities. A scented candle, a bouquet of flowers, or incense can be small added values allowing you to improve your meditation experience. Dim the lights or turn them off to help you focus. 3. Use a meditation cushion. Meditation cushions are known as zafus. A zafu is a circular cushion that allows you to sit on the floor when you meditate. This cushion does not have a backrest like a chair. It does not allow you to slouch and lose your energy influx. If you don't have a zafu, any old pillow or sofa cushion will do to keep you from stiffening up during long stretches or during prolonged sitting. If you find that you have back pain when you can't lean on a backrest, don't hesitate to use a chair. Try to be present in your body and keep your back straight for as long as you are comfortable in this position. Then lie back down until you feel like you are able to start over. 4. Wear comfortable clothes. Nothing should compress you during your meditative thoughts, so avoid restrictive clothing that might get in your way, such as jeans or tight pants. Think about what you could wear for movements or sleep in them. It is best to opt for clothes that are flexible and made with a breathable fabric. 5. Pick a time when you are good. When you are more familiar with meditation, you can use it to calm you down in times of anxiety. However, if you are a beginner, you may find it difficult to concentrate if you are not already in the right frame of mind. For starters, meditate when you are already in a relaxed state. Perhaps in the morning after getting up or after your day at school or work is over. Remove any distractions before you sit down to meditate. Have a light snack if you are hungry. Go to the bathroom if you need it, etc. 6. Have a timer on hand. You must practice your meditation for a long enough time, but without disturbing your concentration by constantly checking the time. Set a timer to set how long you want to meditate. Whether it's 10 minutes or 1 hour. Your phone might have a timer function. Otherwise, you should find many websites or apps that will measure the length of your sessions for you. Part 2 of 2. 1. Sit on your cushion or chair with your back straight. An upright posture will help you focus on your breathing as you inhale and exhale deliberately. If you are sitting in a chair with a backrest, try not to lean on the backrest or slouch. Stay as straight as possible. Position your legs comfortably. You could lay them out in front of you, across them, below you if you are using a cushion. The most important thing is that you keep an upright posture. 2. Don't bother with your hands. In the media, people are often seen holding their knees with their hands during their meditation. However, if this position is uncomfortable for you, don't worry. You could bend them over your knees or leave them hanging out to the sides. The main thing being that you can clear your mind and focus on your breathing. 3. Tilt your chin while directing your gaze downward. It doesn't matter whether your eyes are open or closed during meditation. Although many people prefer to block out possible visual distractions by closing their eyes. Either way, tilting your head while looking down opens the chest and makes breathing easier. 4. Set your timer. When you are in a comfortable position and ready to go, set your timer for the length of time you wish to meditate. Don't pressure yourself to achieve an hour-long transcendental state in your first week. Start with small sessions of 3 to 5 minutes and gradually increase until you reach 1 hour or even longer if you feel like it. 5. Keep your mouth closed as you breathe. You should breathe in and out through your nose as you meditate. However, your jaw muscles should remain relaxed, even if your mouth is closed. Don't clench your jaw. Don't grind your teeth. Just relax. 6. Concentrate on your breathing. Meditation relies a lot on the breath. Instead of trying not to think about the things that stress you every day, focus on something positive, your breathing. By mobilizing all of your concentration on your inhalations and exhalations, you will realize that all thoughts coming from the outside will go away on their own, without you having to worry about ignoring them. Concentrate on your breathing in the most comfortable way possible. Some people like to focus on how their lungs expand and contract, while others like to feel the air pass through their nose when they breathe. You might even focus on the sound of your breath. Get into a state of mind where you focus only on certain aspects of your breath. 7. Observe your breath, but do not analyze it. The goal is to be present in each breath, not to be able to describe it. Don't worry about being able to remember how you felt or being able to explain that experience at a later time. Just live each breath in the moment. When one breath has passed, experience the next completely. Try not to think of this breath with your mind. Just experience it through your senses. 8. If your attention wanders, bring it back to your breathing. Even as you become more experienced in your meditation practice, there may be times when your thoughts wander off course. You're going to think about your job, your bills, or what errands you need to do later. As soon as you notice this intrusion from the outside world, don't panic and try to ignore it. Gently bring your attention back to the feeling of your breathing in your body and let all other thoughts fly away again. You may find that it is easier to focus on the inhales rather than the exhalations. If this is true for you, remember it. Try to focus particularly on the feeling of your breath leaving your body. If you're having trouble getting your attention back, try counting your breaths. 9. Don't be too hard on yourself. Accept that it is difficult for you to concentrate when you are starting out. Don't berate yourself, because all newbies know this inner chatter. In fact, some would say that the practice of meditation is actually about continually returning to the present moment. Also, don't expect your meditation practice to change your life overnight. Mindfulness takes time to be able to exert its influence. Continue to practice meditation every day for a few minutes, lengthening your sessions when possible. Advice: consider setting your phone to silent mode. Meditating before going to bed will help your brain calm down and you will feel more relaxed. Meditation is not a one-time magic solution, but an ongoing process. Keep practicing every day and you will gradually realize that a state of calm and peace is developing within you. Listening to relaxing music could help you unwind. It is common to focus on your breathing or chanting a mantra, like Om. But if you prefer to listen to music during your meditation, choose only calm music. Music might be calm at first, then switch to rock tones after a while. This kind of music is not appropriate because it interrupts the meditation process. If you experience frustration, go with it. You will learn as much about yourself as you do with the more peaceful aspect of meditation. Let it go and become one with the universe. Warnings: watch out for any organizations asking you for large sums of money in exchange for teaching you meditation. Many people who already benefit from the virtues of this practice will be more than happy to help you for free. You might have visions, some of which could be terrible. When this happens, stop. Items needed: comfortable clothes, a cushion or pillow might help, a timer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.